In this tutorial, I'll show you how to promote Digistore24 affiliate links without a website. Hi and welcome to this channel. If you don't have Digistore24 affiliate account, I'll drop a tutorial in the description box. You can watch it and set up an account for yourself. When you log in, on your left side, digital products, event seminars, services, and the list goes on. If you want something from digital product, click here and go through animals and pets, betting systems, business and investment. I'll type in the product I'm looking for because I know it already. Passive income. It's gonna pop by itself without even you entering it. I'm gonna scroll down. There are a lot of stuff in here that you can make money out of, but in this tutorial I'll promote this product, and you can right click and open the new tab, and this is it. In my previous tutorial, I created a landing page on this product, so you can watch it right here, which is good. But this tutorial is for those who don't have a website to create landing pages and stuff. To promote this on social media without a website, you have to summarize what is on the sales page. I'm going to show you how to promote this without a website. The platform I'm going to use is Twitter X. Twitter is one of the busiest social media networks that people don't take it seriously, but in this tutorial I'll show you how you can make money with it. Simple. I'll copy this, right click, copy, and I'm gonna go to Twitter, and right here I'll paste this here. Free live online masterclass shows. Now I need to change this to lower cases or small caps shows, and I'll enter again, then I'll scroll down. I'm gonna copy this one, Control C to copy, and I'll go back to Twitter and I'll paste it here. I'll say find out. Yeah, you have to rewrite. Alright, so find out how beginners are banking 10,000 plus every month. Right click and emoji, and I'll point a finger. I'll copy the promo link. Alright, copy it, and I'm gonna go to bit.ly to shorten it. I would advise you use the bit.ly link shortener to shorten your link, because most affiliate links look long and ugly. This is a free website, and I'm pretty sure you know about bit.ly link, and create an account. When you log in, click create link and drop your link, then type in passive income. That's optional. Then scroll down. Now, if you don't sign in and you drop your link and shorten it, that's bad. You can customize your back half link. But in this tutorial, I'll show you how if you sign in with your email address. I'll say passive-income, and I'm pretty sure this is taken already, but let's try. See, it's taken already. So what I'm gonna do, I'll add something dash money. This is taken as well. I'll say. Alright guys, it took me a while to come out with this back half link. I'll copy and I'll go to Twitter and I'll drop the link here. This link looks better. Then I will enter, and I need to add some tags. Passive income and make money online. I still have some few tests I can add. I'll say affiliate marketing. Alright, so I have 15 characters more, but I'll leave it that. Oh yeah, I can add money. That's hot. Also cash. I've utilized my tags. Now, last but not least, we need to add tag, an image. When people are scrolling, it's gonna catch their attention. Okay, let's go back to the offer, scroll down, let's go to the page itself. This is the offer. I'm gonna right click and open in the new tab, and again right click, save as image, and I'll save it. Remember, use the keyword all over. Passive income, work from home. I'll say and passive income, work from home. I'm gonna save it. It's saved. Then I'll go back to Twitter and I'll click here. This is it. Click on it and open. Bam. See, it looks really nice. This will attract. Then I'll click post and view. This is the post, and trust me, those who are following me will see this post, and people can repost and stuff like that. Now I'm gonna share it. I'll show you the trick I'm gonna use. This is one trick you can use to promote Digistore24 affiliate links on Twitter. I'll show you another trick. I'm gonna click share and copy the link. Link is copied. Now I'm gonna come here, up here, and type how can I make money online. Enter. Guess what? Looking to make your first $100 online. This guy is telling people, how can I make money online? Please, anyone with useful information. Some of this is really nice. So you're gonna click here and you're gonna say it feels good to make money online if you have the right mentor without spending a lot of money. Without spending much money. This, let's see what is here. This is, I'm gonna copy this, copy, and I'll go back and I'll this, copy, paste it. This 100% free live online masterclass. Let me change everything. You know what? I'll leave it the way it is, so it can stand out. Then I'll say can be of help. Then I'll go to profile, scroll down, this is it. Click here, share, copy link, go back, drop it. Alright, and guess what? This is a Twitter link. When she clicks on it, she's gonna end up reading this. Then if she's interested, she has to click on this link. And at the same time, there's an image here. It's convincing, and I'll go back into bracket. All the best with a smile. Something simple. Let me push this. Then I'll click reply. Guess what? People who are following her will get access to this, and the list goes on. That's another way of promoting Twitter. And guess what? Because I use Twitter link to reply, this is gonna convince her a lot to click on it. Not once. If she clicks on it and she sign up, guess what? You're gonna earn this commission right here. And I use this strategy a lot to make money with affiliate links. I hope this tutorial has been of value to you. If yes, please don't forget to comment and subscribe to this channel.